Babakan natin kung sino mananalo. Ang winning for champion yan. Ayan na. Laban na. Kaya pinibigyan na nila yung kanilang mga silinyador para arangkada na. So abangan natin.
Bonus 10,000 pesos to the winner of this speed race. So, doon ang count out Terence dapat. Kanina kasi first hit, nahulog si Terence dapat sa bird back. Race is gonna be great.
Abang-abang tayo.
Kung babawi si Terence,
Kaya ba yun? Kaya ba? Ayan sila. Doon sila nakapisto.
So, yun na nga. Rain flag is up. Brother, rain flag is up!
Ayan na.
Aray ko!
Ayun, aray ko.
But still, he recovered.
Galing. Nagsisiparan sila. Ang gagaling nila. Idol, ang gagaling nyo.
Si Michelin, brother.
Ayan.
Michelin is way back inside on the top, I think top 6. Okay, well. Finding his way. There is not cheating. It's not release of that score. Magaling with a big voice. Okay. He is on third. Forces the race. And Bruno Fernandez, the younger from Iloilo. Let's see what he can do. Nandito siya sa harapan. Sa harapan early in the race.
Ayan na, nagsisiparan na. Ayan na. Grabe. Parang mga may mga pakpak, lumilipad. Grabe.
Last race, early in the race. So let's see what happens.
Natin ba? Ganyan na, pegang.
Para maipakilaban.
Higa na gana.
Tama na dyan, yes.
Okay ka, papatingin?
Yes, 10,000. Ay, napakaganda ng laban, brother. Otto Gabriel and Terence Napat was way back. 85cc plus.
Bisang trono?
And how about this year? We've got
Sarayin pa no?
yes, heating up right now, partner.
Hindi ka na masigasa. Yan, papamano yung ulo.
Wow! Nakita natin, nag-i-enjoy yung mga riders. Lumalapit, brother. Ayan na si Roy. Ay, Fernandez, together with... So, Fernandez is already in third place. He's a contender in this class. He's from Iloilo. Ayan na si Roy. Alam na si Roy. Hindi pa nakapanood na naman. One more.
Video ko.
Magkabigit to dito, oh. What a nice momentum by Otto Gabriel. He's leading, you know. And parang na pressure na yun. Ang control sa Noel Fernandez already has a good start, and also Mitchell Rivera following closely. Let's see who's gonna end up first here. Makapaglaban. This is gonna be 50 laps pa lang, brothers. So,
Mas mabilis pa yata yung drone kisa sa motocross eh.
So, Hawk, Perez, Spihan, approaching the finish line, Tom. Hawk on the way, C2, let's see, he's breathing. Let's see what's
Ayan.
what is Hongo planning now? Wow! Wow! You know, brother, alam mo, if Hongo Gabriel and Terence Napat, you know, wow!
Grabe, yan na. Grabe, yan na. Nagkabulan na. Grabe.
Hopefully, Hongo hold this race, how about the last stop? But yes, Napat is all around the place.
Yan na. Final na yan. Yan na. Final na. Grabe. Yan pa. Yan na. Yan eh. Gusto ka na. Ay, grabe. Grabe.
Third place is Vince Rivera. So, Otto, have to breathe. Kailangan mo yan, yung Otto breathe. Kailangan niya huwag na palalim. Because Terence Napat is not gonna give an inch to him. He have to take this win.
Grabe, oh.
Kailangan niyang huwag ito. Tayo hook or tayo quit. Because Mitchell Rivera is following them. The Hunter is following them.
Dito nino na, oh. Yung mga, ano, yan, oh. Yan na, oh.
Ayun, napapagod siya ito. Tingnan natin. Sana makahanap ng speed sa all from the mid lap up until the final lap.
Yan na, nabilipas na, oh. Yan na. Yan na ulit, yan na. Yan na. Nabulan na, ikaw naman na. Ganyan lang.
3 seconds gap from Otto and now Mitchell.
Yan lang ah.
Pero Noy Fernandez.
Ano na naman sunod.
Pumapayag si Noy Fernandez. Having a good ride. Malapit na kayo po, Gabriel. Mitchell Rivera is getting close at Mitchell Rivera, kailangan niyang kunin sa Hongo Gabriel agad kasi alam ko na kapag nanalo si Rivera is nakakabang sa Hongo Gabriel. Maluwang, walang kalaban sa harap. They have to step up on some way, some point in this race para lang makahabol kay Napat. Oh, what a nice race this is right now.
Ano, takas.
Number 6 is Riley Balinit. Riley Balinit is already in 5th place. He's following Pagkira Dilan. Oh! I think he's Kasi nag-get this pass. So, nakakalawa na. Pero maganda rin talaga dito yung
Yan na.
Alright, still as you can see, Terence Navas is 3, 4 seconds. Ang nakasunod is Mitch and Noynoy Hernandez. Okay, the trio, ayan. Pinilit lang agad. At some point in this race, you have to force it. Kailangan mo pwersahin. Dahil hindi mo rin maging makalit dito sa Manila.
Lapit na.
And second, that is Mitch Rivera. Yes. Kaya nga, Teresa ni Mitch Rivera, si Obong Cabrel. Obong Cabrel is already in fourth place. What a nice run for him. Laps, can you send me the laps? Signal. We still have 3 laps. Okay, kasi 20 na lang ang natitira sa laps. Medyo malayo na si Terence Navas. Is it still possible na makahabol itong si Mitch Rivera? Only mistakes. Only if nothing dapat makes a mistake. So 3 more laps to go. Ayan, habulan pa rin kay Mitch and Roy Fernandez. Sa point na to, second place. Ayun na! Is David! Nakapag-prepare ko si Ompong, nakapaganda. So hindi ko alam kung ibibigay niya pa rin ito na kay Maclean. Last lap! Medyo malayo si Terence. Ito natin. Kung lalapit pa ito si Mitchell. Find better lines. Find your momentum. Never give up. Sabi nga nila, kapag hindi mo iangat ang second lap, hindi pa tapos ang pera. Let's see what happens. Medyo malayo, brother. Malayo-layo. This is all over. Anyway, congratulations kay Manamas. Meron pa tayong dalawang corners. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4 na corners. Tingnan natin kung nakakalapit pa si Mitchell Rivera sa 4 na corners. Tatlo na corners. Isa, dalawa, I think Terence Navas already has 15 the mark. Okay. So money in the bank. Money in the bank for Terence Navas, the final race of the day. Second round. Okay. And that's it. Mississippi. Okay na si Mitch. Mitch Rivera. Second round. Mitch. Punta ka dito. Checker flag. Ronald Hernandez, third place, fourth place, Pagkena, Obong Rivera. And then, Maclean Aguilar gets the fourth place. Rai by the number. Okay, back-to-back champion is Mitch Rivera. Back-to-back champion for Mitch Rivera. What a race, shout out to all my sponsors. Sa Philippines, Ineos Motorride, Island Pasig City, Mayor Steven Palmares. Thank you so much for this event. Let's
Tapos na.
go!
Tapos na.
Wala ka kayo magkabay! Pasig! Thank you,